Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make a popular Swedish Christmas cake. It's full of warm and fragrant spices, and so it's perfect for a festive afternoon tea. I've used cranberry sauce as a substitute for the traditional Swedish lingonberry jam because sometimes it can be hard to find. For the cake, you're going to need 75 grams of vegetable butter, 100 milliliters of soya milk, 3 free-range eggs, 180 grams of golden caster sugar, 250 grams of plain flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of ground cloves, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, 125 grams of cranberry sauce, and icing sugar to decorate. First, preheat the oven to 180 degrees or 160 if you have a fan oven. Then, butter a 20 cm bundt cake tin and dust with a bit of flour. Next, I'm going to melt the butter in a small saucepan over a low heat, but you can also use the microwave if you prefer. When melted, add the soya milk and let it warm for a few seconds to room temperature and then remove from the heat. Using an electric hand mixer, beat the eggs and sugar for 3 minutes until it's fluffy and pale. Then, sift the spices and baking powder over the mixture and stir gently to mix well. After that, stir in the cranberry sauce. Next, we are going to add the flour and the butter alternately. Sift about a third of the flour over the egg mixture and then fold in gently. Stir in half of the butter mixture and then another third of the flour. Add the rest of the butter and finish with the remaining flour, always mixing the ingredients through this stage carefully until you achieve a smooth, lump-free batter. Pour the cake mixture into the tin and after that, tap the pan on the counter a few times to help release any air bubbles. And bake for about 30 to 35 minutes. After this time, check if the cake is baked. Insert the skewer into the center of the cake, and if it comes out clean, the cake is done. Let the cake cool in a tin for about 5 to 10 minutes. To remove the cake from the tin, place a large plate on top of it and flip both at the same time so that the cake falls onto the plate. And carefully transfer the cake to a wire rack to cool down completely. For a simple decoration, dust the cake with icing sugar using a fine mesh sifter and finally transfer the cake onto a serving plate. You can find the full recipe on the video details below if you need. Hope you enjoy, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tasty vegetarian and vegan recipes.